Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete your JotForm account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your JotForm account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch service providers. So you want to go ahead and close out various accounts. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to permanently delete your JotForm account, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see this drop down menu, and you want to click here onto settings. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see this menu here on the left. By default, it's going to pop into your settings, but in order to permanently delete your JotForm account, you're going to click on account. Here on the top left, it looks like a little person icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your account on JotForm. However, to permanently close down this account, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this little blue button right here called delete my account. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this warning that you're about to delete your JotForm account. If you're okay with that, click on this yes delete button here on the left. I'm not going to do that because I'm actually still using this JotForm account. However, there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your JotForm account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.